Hi guys, we're going to be learning how to tame a wolf and a parrot. Now let's tame them. Let's just name that. Okay, I don't know how to tame this guy, so just cover it so he can't get out. Now this is just my tiny base. Just name him Star again. Just name you. And I'll tame these guys too. Okay, so now, since I'm back, just find a weed or something. Let's just get this. Just for a chain. And then feed. Okay. So, tame. Tame. I think they're on my shoulders, because now let's look at me. Yes, so they're on my shoulders now since I tamed them. So that's my taming. One of my tamings. So that, and then how do I get them off? I don't know, but let me tame these guys too. Make them stand. So they're gonna be following me. Okay, so let me tame a fox. These guys again. Tame. I'm gonna have more defenses, guys. Defense. Tame. Hard to tame a little baby, isn't it? Oh, come on. Just stand alrighty. Just stand. Tame you too. Sit. Now let's go. And all of these guys will follow me. Even those parrots. That's one. And thank you for watching. And I hope you subscribe or like. Thank you.